Hello students, now I am going to explain algebraic identities. Identities concept is very important in algebra. The first identity is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And the very important fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. We have totally 10 identities. Now I am going to explain the first identity, that is a plus b the whole square. How can we write a plus b the whole square? A plus b into a plus b. Now multiply the values. Normal multiplication only. A into a square. B into b, b square. A into b, ab. Next one, b into a, ba. We have to add the value 1ab, 1ab, that is 2ab. So the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The next one, fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b. Same procedure, we have to multiply the value x into x, x square. Next, x into b, xb. A into x, ax. Next, a into b, ab. Actually, first one is x square. In the middle two terms, x is a common value. So, we have to take a plus b of x plus ab. This is our fourth identity. Now, I am going to explain the problems. Use suitable identities to find the following products. The first one, x plus 4 into x plus 10. This is look like a fourth identity. What is the identity? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So, we have to take the a value is 4 and the b value is 10. So, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10. So, x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to the first step x square. Next step a plus b of x. What is our a value? 4. B value 10. So, 4 plus 10 of x. The last term a into b, that is 4 into 10. So, x square plus 4 plus 10, 14x plus 40. That's all. The next sum, x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. This is one identity, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. What is our identity? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ce. So, our a value x, b value 2y and the c value 4z. X plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So, we have to take a value, that is x, b value 2y. The next value c value 4z plus 2 of a into b. What is our a value? X. B value 2y plus 2bc. B value is 2y and the c value is 4z. The next one, 2ca. C value is 4z. Our a value is x. Now square the values. What is our first value? X square. Next one, 2y the whole square. The square value is common for both 2 and y. So, what is the 2 square value? That is 4. Directly y square. The next one, 4z the whole square. 4 square value 16, z square. Next, 2 into a into b. So, 2 2s are 4. 4 into x into y. That is 4xy. Next one, 4 into 2, 8. 8 2s are 16. So, 16yz. The last value, 2 into 4, 8. So, the answer is 8zx. Okay. The next one, x square minus y square by 100. This is also look like algebraic third identity. That is, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is our question? X square minus y square by 100. We have to write x square minus y by 10 the whole square. Now, our a value is x and the b value is y by 10. So, we have to write x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Okay. The next one, factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. This is also look like one identity, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. But here some place minus also given. So we have to first write, change the value 4x square as 2x the whole square. Next 9y square as 3y the whole square. 16z square also we have to write a square term, that is 4z the whole square. This is a, b, c. What is our last three terms? That is 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. So we have to divide or split into 2 into a into b. Next minus 2 into b into c. Again minus 2 into c into a. We have to fill in the place ab value, bc value, ca value. What is our a value? That is 2x. B value 3y. Next b value 3y, c value 4z. Next one c value 4z, a value 2x. Now this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. So directly we have to write a plus b plus c the whole square format. But we can't write a plus b plus c because in some place minus also given, no. So we have to choose, here x and y both values are positive. Here one of the value is negative. Here also one of the value negative. Suppose we have to take x value negative means automatically this symbol also negative. But here what is given? Plus symbol. So directly we have to choose the negative symbol for z only. For y term we have to give plus, because plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus also minus. So directly we have to write a plus b minus c the whole square. What is our question? That is factorization. We have to write in the factors format. So 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. In this problem we have to choose the negative symbol is very important. First three terms are automatically positive only because that is square terms. The next term positive, the last two terms are negative. So here we have to give any one place negative means this value also negative. Suppose we have to take for z value only negative means x into z also negative, y into z also negative. So I choose the symbol for z value negative. That's all. The next one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. We have to write, here also we have to use the algebraic identity. What is the identity? A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we have to write the format, actually a plus b the whole cube format. We have to choose the a b value first. How can we change? We have to write a 8a cube b value directly 2a the whole cube. Next b value we have to write b cube only. The next value actually 3a square b. The last value 3ab square. Here already we choose for a value 2a. So apply to a value here. Then b value. The last term is actually 3ab square. So what is our a value? 2a. B value is b square only. Now apply the value. 2a the whole cube means 8a cube. The next one is b cube. The third value is 3a square b. What is the 2a the whole square value? That is 4a square. 4a square into 3, 12a square. 12a square into b, 12a square b. The next one, 3ab square. 3 into 2, 6a. 6a into b square, 6ab square. So this is look like one identity, that is a plus b the whole cube. So choose the value 2a plus b the whole cube. Now we have to write in the factors format, that is 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. That's all.